Hi, I would like to take a couple minutes to explain to you how you're going to do this individual collaboration rubric reflection. A lot of words right there. So the first thing you're going to do is make a copy of it. So if you go File and then make a copy of entire presentation, and then you can title it with your name up here and then your folder. Remember, we started an 8th grade folder for you. Get back to my drive here. And so I have several 8th grade folders, but here's an 8th grade year folder, and then you'll see math, and maybe you've already organized all your other folders. So you're going to do that, and then you will click OK, and then that will put it where you want it. So you're going to make a copy, and then you're going to use these circles on the side, and you're going to read where you are with contribution and development of ideas. You're like, I share ideas and explain the reasons behind them, and I acknowledge others' thinking. So I'm going to put my circle there. But maybe you're like, well, not only do I acknowledge that others have thoughts, but I build on what they're saying. And so you're going to just move these circles to where you feel like you are. So just like we did on the agency, but this one you're going to do digital. And then you'll go to the next page and you will do the 5 that are on this page. And then there's questions on the last page that you will need to answer. By the time you're answering them, there may be more questions on this page. So if the video doesn't match the assignment, do what the assignment says, because we're going to look at this again in the morning before we assign it to you. So if you have any questions, let me know.